guys, so I'm gonna be teaching you the tutorial on how to set up your own delay tower speakers, and we're gonna be reviewing is about this XR12. So I have here is this digital mixer over here, and I'm gonna teach you the tutorial on how to set up your delay tower. So as you could see, what I did was I connected my delay tower amplifier on aux2, so you can see that, and it's connected here on my amplifier, and this goes to the delay tower speakers, which is there. You can see that delay tower speaker there, and as you can see here, it has the same sound with the, as you can see, that's the same sound with my faux, or the front of house. Just add volume, as you can see here. It has no effect. But the thing that we should do is, I'll teach you the tutorial on how to set it up. So just make sure that your delay tower speaker is at the aux2 of your, or I think aux bus, yes. And then I'll teach you the tutorial on how you do it on your PC. So here we go on our PC, so let's do it. Alright guys, so when we need to do it on our computer, the first thing we should do is we need to first play the music. So let's wait. I'll put it here at the very next. So you could hear the sound. So increase the volume in your main PA, and then what we should do next is we're gonna be going to our bus channel, bus number 2. This is our delay tower, and you could adjust the volume here. As you can see that. There we go. So here it's just normal, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna be going to our FX, and in FX you need to select stereo delay for this to happen. Then we'll choose an insert bus. Yeah, we're gonna be inserted on bus number 2, which is our delay tower speakers, and then just press insert, and then there you go. I could hear now the difference. So make sure that your mix is set to 100% and the time frame of 56 ms. Or you could adjust this to your preference. Then you just close this window and go back. Let's go back to our camera and let's hear the difference of doing this. Okay. So let me pause. We're gonna be now playing the music again, and let's hear the difference when we have this delay tower. So I'll be playing the music. Oh, it's really loud. There you go. So let's hear the difference. This is with the delay tower. Hear the music with the delay towers on here. Sorry for the quality, it's just some scrap speaker that I found. It's like I'm in a concert right now when you hear the difference. So let's hear it until the drop of the music. Okay, so thank you for watching, and that's all for Mr. Flexi, and here you go. And this is how you set up your own delay system, even though you have I think you like to have some delay time. That's some tricks that I would share from this XR digital mixer, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you subscribe, and I'll make more tutorials about this, and very thank you.